Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2017. First, let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. The next state table of a 2-bit saturating up counter is given below. They have given the state table consists of Q1 and Q0 are the present states, Q1 plus and Q0 plus are the next state. Okay, to make you understand, let me write this is the next state and this is the present state. Okay, the counter is built as a synchronous sequential circuit. They are telling that we need to design the synchronous sequential circuit. What is meant by synchronous? Common clock should be given. And what flip-flop they are telling to use? T flip-flops. The expression for T1 and T0 are, they have given 4 options. We need to find the right option. So I hope you have understood. This question is related to synchronous sequential circuit using the T flip-flops. Now they have given the present state and they have given the next state. Now if I want to use the T flip-flop, first I need to know the characteristic table or the truth table of the T flip-flop. What is the truth table of the T flip-flop? T, Qn and Qn plus 1, where Qn is the present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. How the T flip-flop will work? It will work with the help of JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, if T is equal to 0, J and K values will be 0 and 0. If T is equal to 1, J and K values will be 1. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? Now can you tell me if 0, 0, what will happen in the JK flip-flop? Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn. Am I right? The next state value will be equivalent to the present state value. If it is 1, 1, the next state is equal to complement of the present state. Okay. Now if you look at this one, we have 2 binary variables, one is T and Qn. So we will have 4 input combinations such as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now can you tell me if T is equal to 0? Then meaning is that J and K value are 0 and 0. Then Qn plus 1. Next state is equal to present state. 0, 0, 1, 1. If T is equal to 1, J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, then Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn's complement. So 0's complement is 1, 1's complement is 0. So this is the characteristic table of the T flip-flop. Now using this one, we can find the what is the T1 and T0 for this one. Are you able to understand? Now if you look at it, how can I get the T1 value? I have to look at the Q1 and Q1 plus. Okay, Qn and Qn plus here. Okay, if it is 0, 0, if it is 0, 0, what is the T value? It is 0. So Q1 and Q1 plus is 0, 0. So T1 will be 0. Similarly, here also it is 0 and 1. If it is 0, 1, it will be 1. If it is 1, 1, it will be 0. If it is 1, 1, it will be 0. If you want to verify, you can verify. If it is 1, 1, you will get the 0. Are you able to understand? 1, 1, 0. Or you can remember like this. If there is a toggle, look at it. Where is the toggle? 0, 0, it is not a toggle, the same one. If there is a toggle, T we will get 1. Am I right or wrong? If there is a toggle from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, the T value will be 1. If it is same, T value will be 0. So 0, 0, T value will be 0. 0, 1, there is a toggle, T value you should get 1. 1 and 1, you will get 0. 1 and 1, you will get 0. So let me use the same principle to compute the T0 value. What are the inputs we will look at? We will look at the Q0 and Q0 plus. It is 0, 1. So there is a toggle. What is the value of T0? Will be 1. Is it clear? If you have a doubt, you can check it. If it is 0, 1, t value is 1. Similarly, it is 1 and 0. Again, there is a toggle, you will get 1. If it is 0, 1, again there is a toggle, you will get 1. There is a 1 and 1, you will get 0. Am I right? If it is 1 and 1, t value is 0. So with this one, we can find the expressions for the t1 and t0. How to get the expressions? By finding the min terms in each one. This is a one function, this is another function. Now we have to simplify the min terms in each function. Now if you look at it, these are the max terms. What is max terms? Wherever the function produces the output as 0, they are the max terms. Wherever the function is producing the output as 1, the corresponding inputs are the min terms. Am I right or wrong? Now if you look at it, what is the input? Lot of people will confuse that the input is q1 and q1's complement or the next state, and q0 and q0's next state. No, they are not the inputs. Your present state is the input. Am I right or wrong? So t1 is equal to, wherever min term is 1, which will be equal to q1's complement and q0. Why? We got the value as 0 and 1. If it is 0, you will represent it as a complement. If it is 1, you will get the direct value. So q1's complement and q0. Similarly, if you look at t0, you have the 3 min terms. Am I right or wrong? So what I can do is that using the k map, I can simplify it. Let me use the k map. If you have 2 variables, how many cells will come in the k map? 4 cells will come. If you have n variables, k map will consist of 2 power n cells. Okay, you will have the q1 and q0. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so you will have 0, 1, 0, 1. Now look at wherever the 1s are there. Here 1 is there, the value is corresponding 0, 0. You will write q1 first, then q0, q1 and then q0. So 0, 0 you will keep value. 0, 1, 0, 1 you will keep value 1 here. 1, 0 you will keep value 1 here. Now if you find the implicants here, these two can be one implicant and these two can be another implicant. If these two are one implicant, what is the expression you will get, or what are the simplified min term you will get? t0 is equal to, the common is q1's complement. Okay, from here the common is q0's complement. Are you able to understand? Here we got the 0 as common. From the row side nothing is common because this is 0, this is 1. So column side you have the common which is 0, so q1's complement. Similarly here column side nothing is common, row side the q0's complement is common. So let me erase this k map and you tell me what is the simplified expressions we got for t1 and t0. t1 we got q1's complement and q0. t0 is equal to q1's complement or q0's complement. Now you check it. Option A, let me come this side. Option A is saying that t1 is equal to q1 and q0, but we got q1's complement and q0. So I can say that option A is not correct. Come to the option B. t1 is equal to q1's complement, q0's complement. This is correct. t0 is equal to q1's complement and q0's complement. This is also correct. So option B is correct. Now we will see why option C and option D are wrong. It is saying that t1 is equal to q1's complement and q0, but it is saying q1 or q0. So option C is wrong. Option D is q1 complement and q0. This part is correct. But this part is saying that q1's complement or q0's complement. But I got q1 or q0. So option D is wrong. Is it clear? Are you able to understand what is the right answer for this question? Option B is the right answer for this question. I hope you have understood how I solved this GATE 2017 question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept or related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.